Good morning, children. Children, in our last class, we had started chapter 3, subtraction chapter. So, as we know, in subtraction, the bigger number is called the minuend, the number to be subtracted is called the subtrahend, and the answer we get after subtraction is called the difference. Subtraction can be checked using addition, and there are two subtraction facts corresponding each addition fact. In the last class, we had done warm-up exercises, property of subtraction, and exercise 3a. Now children, today we will start exercise 3b, that is subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. So children, start exercise 3b. Subtract the following. Here numbers are already arranged into columns and only you have to subtract. In subtraction, children, this number should be bigger than this number. So here under the ones column you can see we have 9 and 6. So you have to subtract 9 and 6. 9 minus 6, it will be 3. Write here 3. Under the tens column you have to subtract 5 and 1. It's already bigger than 1. So 5 minus 1, that is your 4. Under the hundreds column you have to subtract 3 and 2. 3 minus 2, that is your 1. Under the thousands column 4 minus 1, that is your 3. So your answer is 3143. Similarly children, you will solve all these questions. Okay. Always this number, the top number should be bigger than this next number. Now children, in question number 2, arrange the numbers in proper place value columns and subtract in your notebook. So here numbers are given, but before subtraction we need to arrange these numbers under the place value columns. Means we need to write like this. So here the first question, you have to subtract 5573 minus 4462. So children, we will solve it. We will arrange all the numbers under the place value columns. Now children, under the ones column you have to subtract 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. Now children, under the tens you have to subtract 7 minus 6, that is again 1. Under the hundreds column 5 minus 4, again 1. Under the thousands column 5 minus 4, again 1. So our answer is 1111. Now children, moving to next question number G. Here you have to subtract 7421 and 3210. So again children, we will arrange all these numbers under the place value columns. Now 7421 you write first, then you write 3210. Now under the ones column 1 minus 0 is your 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 2 is your 2, 7 minus 3 is your 4. So our answer is 4211. Now moving to next topic, subtraction with regrouping. So here children, when we arrange the numbers into place value columns, if the top number is not bigger than the next number, then we need to regroup. It will be more clear with the examples children. Examples are given in your book. Open your page number 57. Look at here children. Here you have to subtract 2595 and 2077. So under the ones column children, you have to subtract 7 from this 5. It's not possible because 5 is smaller than the 7. So we need to regroup. So this tens will regroup to ones column. 9 becomes 8 and here 110 will come here. So 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 7 you will do, and here under the tens column 8 minus 7 we will do. So children, finally 15 minus 7 is your 8, 8 minus 7 is your 1, 5 minus 0 is your 5 and 2 minus 2 is your 0. So our answer is 518. Now we will do regrouping hundreds and tens. Let's look at here children. Example given. Find the difference of 3568 and 1189. Between these two numbers, which is bigger? Yes, 3568. So the bigger number always we write first. and the smaller number you will write next. Now under the place value columns you will arrange it. Now children, under the ones column you need to subtract 9 from this 8. It's not possible because 8 is smaller than your 9. So we will regroup the tens into ones. So this 6 becomes 5, 8 becomes 18. Now you will do 18 minus 9, that is your 9. Now children, under the tens column, you have to subtract 8 from this 5. Again, this is not possible because 5 is smaller than this 8, no? So what we will do? Yes, we will regroup hundreds into tens. So this 5 becomes 4 and this 5 becomes 15. Okay, now 15 minus 8, that is your 7. 4 minus 1, 3, and 3 minus 1 is your 2. So in this case children, we are borrowing. It's the case of regrouping. Now we will do regrouping thousands, hundreds and tens. One example given in your book, page number 60. Here you have to subtract 7,989 from 8,923. So children, again the bigger number you write first and then this smaller number you write next. Arrange under the place value columns. Now we have to subtract 9 from this 3. Again children, 3 is smaller than this 9. So you need to borrow, regroup, okay? So the tens, regroup the tens into ones. So 2 becomes 1 and this 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 9, your 4. Now under the tens column, subtract this 8 from this 1. This is not possible because 1 is smaller than your 8. So you need to regroup. Now regroup the hundreds into tens. So this 9 becomes your 8 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 8, that is your 3. Under your hundreds column, you have to subtract 9 from this 8. Again, this is not possible because 8 is smaller than this 9. So again, you will regroup the thousands into hundreds. So 8 becomes 7 and this 8 becomes 18. Now 18 minus 9 is your 9 and this 7 minus 7 is your 0. So our answer is 934. Okay, I hope you are getting children. So now we will start the exercise 3C. Start the exercise 3C. Subtract by regrouping wherever needed. So question number A, you have to subtract 1369 from this 4567. So children, look at here. Here we have arranged again. Now children, you have to subtract 9 from this 7. So 7 is smaller than this 9. No, subtraction is not possible. So it will borrow. So now you will regroup these tens into ones. This 6 becomes 5. Okay. And this 7 becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9 you do. It will be yours 8. Okay. Now 5 minus 6. Again this is not possible because 5 is smaller than this 6. So it will borrow. So this hundreds will regroup to tens. So this 5 becomes what? 4. And this 5 becomes 15. Now children, 15 minus 6, that is your 9. Now 4 minus 3 possible because 4 is more than this 3. No. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 1 is your 3. So our answer is 3198. Now let's move to the next question number C. Here we have to subtract 1986 from 8835. Again children, under the ones column you have to subtract 6 from this 5. Not possible, no, because 5 is smaller than this 6. So again we will borrow. So here tens will regroup to ones. So 3 becomes your 2 and this 5 becomes, yes, 15. Now 15 minus 6, that is your 9. Now again 8 will subtracted from this 2, not possible because 2 is smaller than this 8. So again this hundreds, regroup this hundreds to tens. So this becomes 7, 2 becomes 11. Now 12 minus 8, that is your 4. Again 7 minus 9 not possible. Again regroup the thousands into hundreds. 8 becomes your 7 and this 7 becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9, that is your 8. 7 minus 1, that is your 6. Answer is 6849. I hope it is clear, children. So in this way you will complete your question number 1. Okay children, today this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day.